For the heel raise goblet squat, we are going to need a dumbbell, and we can also use a kettlebell as well. And then we're going to need something on the ground that gives us about an inch and a half of heel raise, all right? I have a bumper plate here. You can use anything that's reasonably stable. So I'm gonna get my heels up on top of it. My balls and my feet are still down on the ground. This is awesome for eliminating the range of motion issues in ankles and allowing us to get our hips to sink all the way down close to the heels. Super good for that, and it's also awesome for isolating the quads. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna get a front rack grip, okay? This is the goblet right here. It's gonna be nice and close to the chest. Our chest and eyes are going to be up, and we're going to sink our hips down straight towards the heels. Let the knees open a little bit. We don't want them in too close, and then we also don't want our elbows to sink down and touch our knees. So keep it up nice and close to the chin, and we're going to control it down into the bottom. Boom, and then we're gonna accelerate out of the bottom. Now for a sport-specific application, we wanna come out of the bottom quick. If you're just looking to build muscle, you can go ahead and just take those reps a little bit slower. That is going to be the heel raise goblet squat. If you're looking for other movements, you can find them in my page, or you can leave a comment below if you have specific questions about a movement. Thanks for watching.